BodyBreak with Hal Johnson and Joanne McLeod.
It's great having a few friends over to catch up on what's new. And just because it's a special occasion doesn't mean you have to serve high-fat foods in order for them to enjoy themselves.
We're having pasta Primavera, and traditionally the cream sauce has been very high in both calories and fat because of the use of butter, whipping cream, and cheese. However, there is a lower fat alternative that tastes just as good. Here's how I make it. In a small bowl, combine 3/4 of a cup of skim milk and 1/2 cup of reduced fat mayonnaise. These two ingredients are what make this a lower fat recipe. In a non-stick skillet with 2 tablespoons of water, saute 1 thinly cut medium carrot, zucchini, and red pepper. When the vegetables are soft, add the mayonnaise mixture and 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil, salt, and pepper. Stir the sauce until heated thoroughly, but don't let it boil. Now mix the sauce with 4 cups of hot pasta and serve it with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese.
If you'd like a copy of this recipe, please write to us at BodyBreak or fax your name and address to 905-827-5020. And when I prepare the sauce, I like to add a little garlic. Well, until next time, keep fit and have fun. Cheers.
BodyBreak